Oh, yeah. Oh,
Hey, what's good, y'all? I'm back with another banger video, and as you read the title, it's a tutorial video, and so we finna get right this into it. So it's gonna be a tutorial how you get guns and stuff, and like everything else. And like I have a job, I like it in 1 hour. So this is first. Hold on, let me write this. So first, let's start. Oh, we can start over here. Oh my, yeah, but that's you know. Right here is where you get the cars and stuff. Like all the cars. You could get like this car, any car you need. I can't show you right now because I'm like in this glitch where if I like jump out, it spawns back or something. It's a weird glitch, but kind of weird. Over here. Oh yeah. Excuse me, my bad. Over here, right here, we got the DMV. The DMV is where you get your like license, and I recommend getting your license before you get a car, because when you get your license you could switch, you could like hop service and you still have your car, you know what I'm saying? Like, but if you don't get your license, you don't keep your car. So yeah, I recommend getting license. You going to the DMV. We're heading over here. This is the key resort. This is where you get your like jobs, like, and but you can't spam click it. Like, say if a job is opening right now, you have to hurry up and click it. Like, you can't spam click it. Now you gotta see what jobs are open. And I'm gonna show you what gunshot is too. Kind of like a short little vid, just a tutorial of how you get fish. By the way, because I know some of y'all are asking, how do you get fish? How do you get fish? How to get fish is you have to wait 3 hours to get fish, and then you could actually like get fish. But this is gunshot. This is where you buy your stuff. It's like right where spawn is. Like, take a left, and there's gunshot. Um, so these are where you could buy houses and like kind of store your guns. Like, hold on, let me go to my house. Show you an example. Over here, it should be on. Then houses over here, but hold on. It's gonna spawn me so far back, cause I have to put it in park. Oh, wait, I've been fired. I've been walking away from my job. Hold on, let me re-get my job. Your shift, walking away from your job mid shift. What are you talking about? All right, hold on, guys. Let me get my job real quick. I didn't start the job, bro. My bad. My bad. That's actually my bad. Luckily you don't like take any damage. Let me slow down. See, it spawns me right here. For no legit reason. But like I'm saying, oh, this is gonna take a long while. Key, see, go to here, go inside here, and this is where you can get a job. Oh, somebody took it, but doesn't matter. So yeah. And now I gotta go see where you can slow guns. Click, click. Oh yeah, press E to start your engine. And I started. What am I doing? What the heck? Okay. Let's see if we do it. Oh, there we go. There we go. But like what I was saying, like you could get a job and stuff. Nah, yeah. But I might get a hot server because I am really down bad. I spent like all my money on this. I got two guns. And oh yeah, you have to actually. I found out that you have to actually buy guns for Robux. Robux. It's like Brickton bucks. It's only like 450 Robux. I actually got a plug from it. Is it? Let's see if this works again. Exactly what I'm talking about. They need to actually fix that glitch. Oh, now we gotta run all. I don't know why would I drive in the car. Like, actually, yeah. Mm. Oh my. That's gonna take so long. I don't know if you're hearing in the background, like they're doing something like a TikTok or something. But oh, baby, don't. This is my baby right here. This is my baby right here, right here, bro. Oh my, this is my baby, bro. So I'm sure you gotta store guns and yeah. Probably gonna be it for this video. Little tutorial video. And I might actually like do some more Brickton videos. I've been playing a lot off camera. Like my boy Cam. Yeah, this one. Right. So you go and like buy a house. They're like only like some houses are like you could get a house, it's like 375 or you could get an apartment. And open safe and you could like just store your items, ammo, anything. I have a whole bunch of stuff. I have like 20 boxes of ammo because I broke right now, so that's why. But that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.